Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Martin and today we're gonna rescape the 12-liter Nano tank. Stay tuned. Well, it's been a couple hours later. I've created something different than the previous setup. I really liked the previous setup with the cave that I built, but it was time for something new. So sorry I didn't take you all the way into the build video, but it was a lot of work and the tank is pretty small, so I was struggling with some bits that the glue wouldn't stuck together. But I think it looks pretty amazing. So the hardscape is in. So I went for a kind of jungle style that I'd done before, but this time much smaller and with some more small details. So I'm really happy with the end result. So let's start planting. Well, for the planting process, I had some plants leftovers. So we have some Java ferns, we got some Rotala, we got some Ludwigia super red, some Hygrophila pinnatifida from the other tanks, and the Monte Carlo that came from the previous setup, and a lot of Anubias and Bucephalandras. So I also propagate some moss on a stone in the breeding tank upstairs, so that works pretty good. So let's see if we can make something nice out of the tank. So guys, the tank is done. Well, almost. I recently added some pebbles, and as you might see here on the top, the shrimp and the snails are acclimating right now, so they are getting to the correct temperature, and I'm just drip dosing. So I'm just adding a little bit of water around every, let's say, 15 minutes, and it will be in there for an hour or so. So I used the old soil that I had, so the previous bacteria are still in the aquarium, so that's really good. So that's perfect. That means I also had some leftover filter media that I keep up and running, so I added them too, so they should be perfectly fine. And I also added some beneficial bacteria, so I think they will be alright. So I will keep testing it every day. And okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I really enjoyed it. I hope you did it also. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you didn't do so yet, so I can get to a wider audience and create more of these amazing tanks. So that will be awesome. So thank you for that. And I will see you next time. And don't forget, keep scaping. Bye bye.